Whatever type of invasive growth you face, buckthorn, sumac, kudzu, sagebrush, you name it, these models have the raw power to clean it out. But the ultimate test of a field and brush mower is in how it handles thick, tall field grass, the toughest mowing challenge of all. To cut heavy growth like this, a brush mower has to efficiently process much greater amounts of cut material than an ordinary mower. So let's look at the design features that put our larger model mowers in a class all by themselves. Most brush mower decks look something like this. They're built close to the ground and have no side discharge. The problem with this design is that materials accumulate under the deck faster than they can be forced out. To make matters worse, most of these mowers have no way to prevent cut grass and weeds from wrapping around the blade spindle. This wrapping slows the blade down, allowing even more material to gather under the deck. If you continue to mow under these conditions, the blade spindle bearings may begin to overheat, or the engine will simply stall. Bogging down and stalling repeatedly makes for a poor quality cut, and some areas don't get cut at all. Now here's how the DR Field and Brush Mower is built to overcome these challenges. First, we make our deck wider, up to 30 inches wide. Then we add depth to create more open space for processing cut field grass and brush. We open up the right side, so shredded materials can easily discharge from the deck area and make room for new cuttings. And finally, we employ our exclusive anti-wrap sleeve. This simple but highly effective device installed around the blade spindle housing makes wrapping virtually impossible. In combination with our high blade speed, these DR-exclusive design features allow for aggressive mulching and rapid discharging of cut materials from the deck area. The DR Field and Brush Mower efficiently processes everything it cuts, so you can keep up the pace and get the neatest cut in the industry.
And the brush was heavily intertwined, almost like a ball of yarn, where if you went to walk through it, you couldn't because it would hit on your leg, and then if you stepped on top, it would substantially, hold most of your weight, you'd sink in a little bit. The DR just mowed it right down, and that was really impressive.
These larger models feature engines up to 18.5 horsepower, allowing them to easily chew through 8-foot-tall weeds and brush and 3-inch thick saplings. And they'll do it while operating on slopes up to 20 degrees without so much as a hiccup. The DR Field and Brush Mower is simply the most powerful walk-behind mower available. I hope you'll give it a try. On behalf of all of us at DR Power Equipment, we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks for watching.
I think not only is it a time saver, but I think it's a mind saver too, because I know that I have a dependable machine that I can take out and I can go to wherever it is that I have some mowing to do and know that I can do it quickly, easily, and do it very professionally.
Everybody that I've spoken to on the phone, everybody I've met in the store, and the product itself speaks very highly for a company that's clearly very well run, where engineering matters, where quality matters, and where they don't cut corners. And it's those corners they don't cut that allow us to have a piece of equipment that's going to give us a lifetime of service. This company stands behind everything they make, 100%. My satisfaction is guaranteed, I know that, and I am satisfied.
DR is professional power done right.